there's like something in my eye. No? Alright. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a eyebrow tutorial. This is just how I do my eyebrows personally. Honestly, I didn't even know how like easy and simple it is for me to do my eyebrows because this video is going to be fairly short, but this is just how I do mine. So if you guys would like to see, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so to kick off this tutorial, I already did one eyebrow just to show you guys a side by side. I'm going to start by using my Ardell Brow Liberty micro brow pencil. That is a mouthful. So I take the spoolie part and I brush my eyebrows upward. Then to start my eyebrows, I like them to look a little bit fuller and just a little bit longer. So I will start them about where my nose, like my nose bridge, you know, the bridge of your nose, like the sides of it. I try to start at the tip of that, at the very top. And I make sure that my eyebrows are aligned so that they're not crooked, but nobody's perfect. And sometimes you just mess up or they don't always come out that great. So then I start with small strokes, and I do obviously use a shade way darker than my actual eyebrow hair because my hair is black. And we don't need our eyebrows looking lighter than our hair color. That would just look crazy. So I follow the natural shape of my eyebrow. Like I said, I just like them longer, so I kind of extend them a little. So I don't want my eyebrows to be pitch black. So I'll start with this black pencil and I'll do small strokes, outline, and kind of fill my brows in a little bit. And then using the brush to brush through them helps to kind of just bring the color everywhere, so it's not all, you know, like lines through your brows looking all crazy. Then I'm going to be taking the Anastasia the Anastasia Brow Duo. I was going to say Dip Brow. I don't have that anymore, unfortunately. And I'm taking the darker shade in it, and it's an ebony. And I'm just going to go over my brows with the powder, and that just helps to fill in any parts of my brows that I didn't get with the brow pencil, and it kind of just blends everything in together. And it's so important to always brush through your brows. I can't stress that enough. I brush through them multiple times to make sure everything is just coming together. Then I take some clear brow gel and I just brush through those suckers to help my eyebrows stay in place. So normally I do use the Anastasia Brow Wiz and the Anastasia Brow Duo like I just used, and the Dip Brow as well. I only use the Dip Brow if I'm trying to be super precise with my eyebrows and I want them to last all day. But that is it. Super simple, super easy. 3 products. Bam. Alright, so that is it for this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.